when you say make it funny. Okay.
Say hi to my non-existent YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
The guy is cute.
Why? Hi guys.
I'm non-existent, guys.
No. So she's gonna record and I'm gonna upload it on my channel. She's my cameraman.
Yep, I am.
She is cameraman.
Who, me? Me. I'm recording,
See.
but I'm never uploading, I'm
I
sure.
will be the one uploading.
Yeah. Jay
And
will
I'm just
upload.
there for moral support. We need Dutch pancakes.
Yeah. Abhi, we'll go inside. पहले देखते हैं. Maybe we'll find something better. I don't have a sweet tooth.
Personalized Christmas decorations.
Oh, it smells so nice.
Oh, it's smelling so good.
Yeah, it smells so nice.
Christmas is here. So guys, we are about to sit in this and you're about to experience some crazy stuff. Wow, that was cool. How does it feel to be on the top?
It
Out
feels
of
amazing.
Okay.
Like me achieving to come this high. Like it's
This
like
high?
the best thing
Like
ever.
how high? This high? How does it feel on this high?
I've gone higher, but it's fine. I will accept.
Does it actually feel the time is slowed down?
No, definitely
No, it's not. Okay.
Nah.
What about you? How does it feel so far?
It's-
No?
So not nice.
Not nice.
इतना पैसा देके
Come
we
on.
were expecting more.
I mean, at least £7 is
Yeah.
worth this ride. Yes, no, maybe, no.
It's not.
No,
because
it's not.
we gave like £5 for another ride, and it was
Okay.
so
So
fun.
the second we get out of the station,
Yeah.
we're taking him to that.
Yes. Yeah, we're
Okay.
going. We're going.
So guys, stay tuned for the next ride. And my experience so far, I mean, it's okay.
I mean, you're so
It's
excited.
all right. It's all right. I mean, as I was expecting.
Wow,
What's
look
that?
at
What's
that
that?
one. Look at that one.
We need to go there.
We have to. Oh my god, I look so. Oh my god.
What if?
But it's going to be there now. Let's go next week.
Okay, guys. So we are moving down.
I'm
We're
going to
moving
die.
down.
उसमें मैं नहीं जाऊंगी.
Okay, so we.
I'm dying.
I also never been there, but she's gonna die. She's saying.
I'm going to
That's the
die.
best thing in my life.
Me too. Me too.
I love
I'll
it.
experience the most best thing there.
But even
So
like,
guys, we are moving down. Review time, guys. So let's see. It's £12. And let's see if it is worth £12. Something which we took. How is it?
That's not bad. Yeah.
Not bad.
They got fries.
Chicken is good.
Chicken and fries. Let's see. I'm telling you that was a guy. So small. Let's go so
Uh-huh. Hi guys.
Hi.
Now we are going to try KFC in Scotland and see कि कोई difference है या नहीं है. Is it good?
बड़ा कमजोर लेग पीस है. It's like that. It's nice.
It tastes the same.
Yeah.
That means it was bullshit.
Yeah,
Same as India though.
The Oman ones are the best.
Why? Halal.
They have more flavor and nicer.
No idea if it's
It's fresh food.
No, it's frozen.
Oman is all fresh. They're very strict. GCC has one of the best fast chain food outlets in the world.
Oh, it tastes the same. It does.
Almost the same. Because
जिस इंसान ने बोला था it tastes different was dumb.
no, it's same. Yeah, he was dumb though.
He was dumb.
I hope he watches this. I hope you watch this, you dumb guy. It's nice. It's same.
It tastes the
as India,
same.
same as anywhere. Because
Yeah.
it's a big food of restaurants.
maybe where he is from वहाँ पे different होता होगा taste.
Oops. That came out wrong. No, but you never know who was it. I mean, it might be you who is watching. You never know. Come to UK, dude, and try it out.
watches it.
Yeah.
It's the same. Everything is the same.
Yeah.
Shitty fries. It's everywhere.
I make better fries too. I make better ones. Like, at least crispy. I like when they burn a little bit. But
It's
this
soggy.
is not the fries. It broke. This is not the fries. Oh guys, I was honestly scared with that laugh though. He's honestly scared. Okay, guys, we are done with everything for today, at least. So we are going home now. Going home. We will see you in the next one. Stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully, I'll post this one as well. So yeah, miss all of us till then. Bye. Peace out.
Miss us.
Okay, yeah, miss them. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.
Olympic wine company. Yeah, push the light again. Spotlight.
Say something nice.
I mean, it was it was okay. Give a lot slower. Why is the chapati shaped like this?
This is gonna go in bloopers though. What? This is for me. That's why it's for me.
That's why it's shaped
I
weird.
have a shaped it weird. It's for me. It's for me because I dropped it down.
Yeah.
You know, sad story. Sad stuff. Almost done.
How do I eat just with some rice and then some beans? Okay.
Take a bite. We normally eat it with this. Take a bite of this.
I just take some. Yeah.
I'll give you.
Have you been fed before? Have you been fed before? No, I mean the food. The food this way. How is it? You love it?
Yeah.
Let's go! That's nice, dude.
Best chapati I've ever had in my life.
Best chapati. So the credit goes to us both.
Yeah.
I made the chapati.
How did you?
So you were only, but it goes to you 33%. 33% for her. 33% for me. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. So she has her food with the fork. With the fork. Come on, who does that? She does that. She does. She does.
I eat. I manage. Who's judging me?
Good time. Good
No,
food.
no judgment.
Hold on, flash. Something nice, bro.
Say something.
Say something nice.
Chapati was nice.
Okay. What about you? What do you like about it?
Chapati is so good. Jay had done a great job.
Yeah, let's go. It's just me. What about you? How was it?
Bubblegum, yes. Let me.
You like this one? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Bro, say something nice about the food.
About the food.
Yeah, about the drink as well. About this.
This tastes like bubble gum mixed with Fanta.
Vodka?
Yeah, with Fanta.
Fanta is having a vodka. How did you?
I think I'm listening too much. What about you?
And
What do you want me
also,
to say?
What?
I'm eating rice with fork where everyone's freaking judging me.
No one's judging you. It's just new to us. That's it. What about
Joel is
you?
the only non-judgmental person.
With me for my first ever ice hockey game night. Yay!
Fit check time. Show your outfits. Fit check time. Wow.
He doesn't care. Say hi. We are again going somewhere. Oh, we are somewhere in Glasgow. And what else? And we are planning a trip to Edinburgh.
That is the following week you'll get updates, but at the moment we are planning on going straight up over there.
Oh yeah,
Please
we're
show
going
it.
for a ride and I'm scared.
Show it!
It's so ugly, dude. The dog. Show the dog. It's so ugly. What the fuck? Liking even ugly dogs.
Dog's a dog.
The guy with the beard. The dog with the beard was rubbish.
The dog with the beard.
That was a very cute dog, right? Yes, it was.
That was a piece of shit. Yeah. Recording.
Yeah.
Guys, welcome to New York. Show them around. Wow. Pretty streets. Cold rain. Pretty ladies. Post-ride scenes.
Post-ride scenes. So that was a mess.
Fuck, that was crazy.
She was the most excited.
You know, I recited the whole prayer. I was
He was scared. He was scared. Attack. Going on another ride, guys. Another ride.
I'll show you guys what. Yeah. Oh god. We just came back from that ride.
Oh shit, that was fucked up, man.
And we are in this ride. I don't know how it's going to be.
I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Welcome back to our channel. It's now our channel because we are always
I'm
together.
just going to be there for a while with this. So
Yeah.
background noise.
We have a really good news. Jay literally bought a new iPhone.
Let's go!
Show me.
And this is the unboxing.
This is, and he's gonna unbox it right now.
Let's go!
Yay!
So this is a really I took this decision really fast. So I had some money on me, so I said why not go for a 512 GB. So I went.
Because of who?
I took it because of thanks to both of them. They really helped me to make a decision. But here we are with a new phone and a new unboxing. It's already on. Don't worry about that. But
Because we already checked everything.
yeah, we checked everything and stuff. So a big issue for me, and this phone has stuck with me for really long.
With a picture. Now it's ये transfer होगा.
Yeah, on
to
this
his new
one.
phone.
So this phone is stuck with me for a really long time, as the picture is stuck here. So it will be here soon. This was my phone, and now you're gonna see me uploading some real shit on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. I'll see you guys.
Nice. Everybody's so tired already. We are in Marseille. No, little.
Record it.
Record everything.
Post anything.
Look at the condition. So windy, guys.
I have a cold also.
Yeah. And look at him. He's in his shorts. We're trying four, guys. Last time it was a fail, but today we are trying this. Now I know exactly what I want. And Jay and her sister decided. You're trying udon? She's trying Japanese udon.
Do you have miso soup?
This one. They have miso soup? My foe is here, guys.
We will hang out with you. And then you hang out with Ronnie, and you will hang out with the question mark. The
Buttery flavor.
Yeah, that's it.
no, I didn't.
Akriti, I said we have witness.
Guys, we are coming back. And look what happened. Jay just slipped. Look at his pants. Show your pants. And he was the one telling both of us that, oh guys, don't fall, don't fall. And he fell. But at least it was worth it. This is what I ended up making. So that's vegetable rice. I have some lettuce and some onions. And this is my dal. और ये थोड़ी सी दही. And look at the view. It's so bright and sunny today. Look who's here, guys. Say hi, Harsha. Harsha and Jay. And we are recording a video today.
For what is it for?
Christmas.
Okay.
We're doing a challenge.
Off.
We'll see. I'll tell them. I'll tell you as well. Guys, where are we going?
British Heart Fountain. Sorry.
No.
We're going to the Peacock store in the Piazza.
We're going to Piazza.
Yeah.
Harsha wants to buy something.
Something. What's
And we have nothing better to do.
someone?
For someone. For her imaginary boyfriend. Imaginary boyfriend, guys. But and the best part is, it's so good.
Finally, we're getting vitamin D, and I forgot to take my medicine.
Oh shit! I was about to tell you. I was about to, but I didn't.
Yeah.
I want to see how your memory works,
He
but it
wants me to
doesn't.
die. And now we'll see you guys in a moment. Oh yeah. So, guys, Jay, what do you want for your birthday? Jay, what do you want for your birthday?
My birthday. Get me a good
Shoe? A shoe?
girlfriend.
Shut up! I'm seriously asking you.
Okay, seriously? No. A sneaker, maybe. A sneaker or
What do you want from me?
from you.
Yeah.
I need to think.
Tell me. Asha, what do you want for your birthday?
I'm fine with anything.
This pimple is looking very weird. You.
The more you give it attention, the more it's gonna.
Tell me, Hacha, what do you want for your birthday? Just think and let me know.
I need 2 petrol pumps in Oman.
Shut up. Guys, we are in Peacock. And there's a huge sale going on for Christmas. So we देखते हैं हम लोग क्या खरीदेंगे and what all options we have here. Gift secured.
Happy Harsha.
Merry Christmas.
On the way.
Can't even English.
More fun content. Okay, we are done for today.